Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn 3 very useful English words together: ancient, anxious, and brave. Learning new vocabulary is a fantastic way to improve your communication skills and express yourself more clearly. In this lesson, we'll explore what each word means, how to pronounce it correctly, and see it used in different sentences. We'll also look at common word combinations or collocations to help you sound more natural. And at the end, we'll have a short quiz to practice what we've learned. Are you ready? Let's begin. Our first word is ancient. Ancient. It means very, very old, something that comes from a time long, long ago, often thousands of years in the past. Think of things connected to the distant past or early civilizations. The pronunciation is straightforward. It has 2 syllables, ancient. Listen carefully. Ancient. Let's try that together. Ancient. Great. Now let's see it in context. A common phrase you might hear is ancient history. For example, in school, we are studying the history of ancient Greece and Rome. This refers to a period of history that happened thousands of years ago. We also use ancient to describe objects. You might visit a museum and see ancient artifacts, like pottery or tools from a lost civilization. Another common collocation is ancient ruins, which are the remains of old buildings. For example, they discovered an ancient temple hidden deep in the jungle. It's important to know the difference between old and ancient. A car from 1980 is old, but a pyramid from 2500 BC is ancient. Ancient carries a sense of deep history and importance. So remember, use ancient for things with a connection to the very distant past. Next up, we have the word anxious. Anxious. This word describes a feeling. When you are anxious, you feel worried, nervous, or uneasy about something. It's often because you're thinking about an event with an uncertain outcome. The pronunciation has 2 syllables, anxious. Listen. Anxious. The X sound is like KSH. Let's say it, anxious. Well done. We often use the phrase to feel anxious. For example, you might say, I feel anxious when I have to speak in public. We also say we are anxious about something. For instance, he felt anxious before the exam. This means he was worried about how he would do. Here's another example. She was anxious about the job interview. You can also be anxious to do something, which means you are very eager, but often with a sense of worry. For example, after the storm, they were anxious to know if their home was safe. It's helpful to distinguish anxious from excited. While both involve looking forward to something, excited is a